I have received hundreds of your comments asking about these 1972 and 1974 29 Piso coin pieces. You want to know if you're sitting on a fortune or just pocket change.
I have received hundreds of your comments asking about these 1972 and 1974 29 Piso coin pieces. You want to know if you're sitting on a fortune or just pocket change.
First, look at what makes these years valuable. For the 1972, look for this specific mark, point. If you don't have it, it's a common strike. Same for the 74. Don't waste time trying to sell common coins for high prices, you'll only get rejected. Now, where do you find real value? Never use eBay asking prices. Use a trusted guide like this. If a buyer offers you 30% of this price, walk away. If you have a valuable variety, use these 3 venues based on its quality. How to use these resources safely. 1. Local coin shops, find authorized dealers, don't just search coin shop. Search for an authorized dealer. These dealers are vetted, and they have a reputation to maintain. 2. Online auctions, if you suspect you have a high-value coin, don't sell it for a quick peso at the mall. Contact a major auction house. They have the audience that pays premium prices. 3. Direct sales, eBay and forums. eBay is the easiest place to sell, but also the easiest place to lose your coin. Never take a transaction off platform. If they ask to pay via a random link or app, it's a scam. Before you send your coin anywhere, you need it graded and slabbed by PCGS or NGC. If you aren't sure how to do that, stop and learn that process first. An ungraded coin is a gamble, a graded coin is an asset. Crucial point, how you ship is how you get paid. Always use registered mail. If a buyer asks you to pay appraisal fees to sell, it's a scam. Block them. Check your coins for those marks. If you find one, tell me in the comments. Subscribe for more coin secrets. Thanks for watching.